Okay, lovelies, let's get into the tutorial. So first off, I'm just going to prime my eyelid with my Oligo Pro Concealer in Fawn. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to set that with my MAC Studio Fix in NC46. So for my first transition color, I'm going into this shade from Star Crushed Minerals. This is Virtuous. It's like a really nice hot pink. So I'm just going to apply that on my crease line and on my transition area. So once I'm done applying that, I'm just going to take this color called Maroon Matte, still from Star Crushed Minerals, and I'm just going to apply that just right above the pink eyeshadow and my transition. So now I'm just going to take my Snazzaro face paint. This is the white face paint. I'm just going to put it all over my mobile lid and taking it way above my crease, just to cut out my crease so that my eyeshadows can pop a bit more, because I intend on using bright colors for this eyeshadow look. So once I'm done cutting out my crease, I'm going with my first color, and this is a yellow eyeshadow from my BH Cosmetics 120 first edition palette. So I'm just going to apply that on the innermost parts of my eyes and along the crease line. So once I'm done applying that first yellow color, I'm going on top of that with this, it's a yellowish gold color from my Nuban Beauty Obsession palette, and it's in the shade Ikare. So I really wanted the yellow to pop a bit more and look a bit shimmery. So I'm just going to apply that. Once I'm done with that, I'm going into this green from my BH Cosmetics palette. The green initially wasn't like really showing up well, so I had to take another green from my BH Cosmetics 120 first edition palette. So that's what I have after the yellow. So once I'm done applying the green color, I'm going into this shade from Star Crushed Minerals in the shade Sterno. So it's like a really deep green. I'm applying that on the outer corner, on the outer portion, on the outer V of my eyelids. Once that is done, I'm going to take this gold glitter. It's just gold glitter I put inside a container, and I'm going to apply that on my crease line and on the inner tear duct area. So now onto my eyeliner. For my eyeliner, I'm using my Black Radiance liquid eyeliner. I'm not going for a wing today. I'm going to instead smoke out. I'll try to make a wing, and I'm going to smoke it out with some black eyeshadow. So now the eyes are partially done. So next off, I'm going into the face, and I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion Shine Control Primer, and I'm just applying this just mainly on my T-zone area, on my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Once I'm done applying the primer, I'm just going into my Oligo Pro Concealer to highlight my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. Then going into my Nuban Beauty Sealant Spray, I'm going to just spritz that on my Nuban Beauty blending sponge, and I'm just going to blend out. So once I'm done blending out that concealer, I'm going into my Black Up Mattifying Fluid Foundation in the shade 14, and I'm just going to apply that with my blending sponge. Once that is thoroughly blended out, I'm going to just set my under eye with my powder mix as usual, and I'm going to also reverse contour. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to dust off all the powder from my face. So now I'm just going to kind of slim down my nose by just highlighting with powder the sides of my nose. So once that is done, I'm going to dust all that off with powder and set the rest of my face with my MAC Studio Fix in NC46. So now once I'm done with that, I'm going back into the eye, and right now I'm just applying my Estee Lauder Kajal pencil in black and black just on my waterline. Then I'm going to take that pink eyeshadow we used as a transition color, the Virtuous eyeshadow, and I'm just going to use that to buff out the black underneath my waterline. So just it gives it a smoky but not so intense eye. So now I'm going to to highlight my brow bone, I'm just going to use the shade from my BH Cosmetics Cali Bible palette, and to intensify it, I'm going to spritz my brush. So I'm just going to blend it out too. So on just underneath my tear duct area, I'm going to apply some gold glitter there just to make the eye look pop a bit more. So now on to contour my cheeks, my nose, the perimeters of my forehead, the usual places. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to now set the rest of my face, still with that Move and Beauty setting spray, and yeah. So now time for highlight. I'm going into one of the shades in my Cali Bible palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to highlight the usual places: chin, cheeks, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow. Then I'm going to set that in. Because this foundation is really mattifying, I have to double dose on the setting spray. Okay, so change the hair, change the top. Yes, honey, dance. So now onto the lips. First off, I'm going in with this Cage Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Cocoa. I'm just going to apply that on I'm going to use that to line my lips. Then I'm going into this lipstick, still from Cage Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Pink Lace. It's a very sheer pink lipstick, which I love. So I'm just going to apply that. Then to top that lip off, I'm going into, still from Cage Cosmetics, their lip gloss in Femme, and my lips are complete. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, look at her looking like a box of chocolate. Anyways guys, I really enjoyed creating this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed the whole process of creating this look. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and also subscribe. This would really help me, and I would really appreciate it. Anyways guys, until my next video, take care, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.